Bonjour, summer style in Paris is rarely about complicated outfits. Many Parisian women rely on simple pieces, but what makes the outfit chic is the accessories. So today's video, I'm going to show you the summer accessories trend that are everywhere in Paris right now. These are the pieces you should buy if you want to dress Parisian this summer. And the first summer accessory trend everyone is wearing in Paris is skinny floral belt. This summer in Paris, we have seen the return of the skinny belt, and even Vogue Paris listed the V belt, one of the key summer trends for 2026. Worn low at the waist to define the silhouette without feeling too heavy. And the Parisian way to wear the skinny belt is not to emphasize on heavy logo. Logo belts are not that trendy here in Paris, but much more on statement buckle, like a piece of jewelry. Like this one I am wearing from FAUVETTE Paris. If you don't know FAUVETTE Paris, this is one of my favorite Parisian brands. They make beautiful leather bags, but also leather accessories. And I absolutely love the belt collection. I love this brand, and this one truly embodies the Parisian trend this summer. The slip leather strap keeps it delicate, while the gold flower buckle adds this feminine, vintage-inspired detail that feels super Parisian. This is a lizard embossed co-leather belt with mineral tanning and double flower buckle gilded with fine gold. Parisians wear it with white jeans, linen trouser, tailored shorts, or simple cotton dress for this summer. But the most trendy Parisian way to wear it, I'm going to show you, it is slightly lower on the waist, almost like a delicate jewelry piece, over relaxed trouser or long linen shirt. The belt comes in many different leather finishes, but for this summer I went for lizard embossed. I absolutely love the color. I love it for summer. I love the contrast between this deep color and all the summery color. I find it perfect for summer outfit, and of course you can definitely match the leather belt with this gorgeous little bag. The Adele in the same also lizard embossed. I find this color gorgeous for summer outfit with linen, yellow, pale blue, or even like white pale blue. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I love FAUVETTE belt so much that I also have another belt in my collection. This one is slightly different. This is the Aimé belt. I absolutely love also this one. And the color is croco embossed, chocolate croco embossed. Very hard to find. Do not forget to check below the video. I will put all the reference. Do not forget to check their website. They have so many different belts. Absolutely gorgeous, affordable, again, made in France. And you can also use my promo code. And the next best summer accessory trend everyone is wearing in Paris is the oversized raffia bag. The oversized raffia tote bag is one of the most Parisian summer accessories because it gives this I just come back from the market feeling but still look chic in the city. This is a timeless summer accessory, but this year the trend goes towards something slightly more oversized with a slouchy and semi-structured design. And the trendiest version this summer are oversized raffia cabas, woven large oversized woven tote raffia bag, or even the slouchy one. Clutch also, oversized clutch with little ruffle, and the semi-structured raffia bucket bag. In Paris, Parisian women wear the raffia bag in a more relaxed, effortless way. They absolutely love to pair raffia bag with linen, tailored linen outfit, for example, a linen dress, something semi-relaxed, semi-structured. It gives this very effortless summer vibe. And the next best summer accessory trend you are going to see everywhere in Paris is the raffia statement hat. In Paris, the summer hat is not a beach accessory, but a fashion choice. And many Parisian women enjoy to wear summer hats. The most trendiest option I've seen this year in the street of Paris and on Parisian fashion influencer is this one, the Raffia calotte. We call it calotte in French. This is the Raffia statement hat. and it sits nicely on the head like this one. It really gives this vintage couture inspired design. It reminds me of a Jean-Paul Gaultier little hat in the 80s or the 90s. It's really coming back here in Paris. But the other trendiest option you are going to see are structure straw hats, or even the botte. The botte is a classic that's coming back every single year. Another one, crochet, also crochet hat, and the bucket, the Raffia bucket hat is also very trendy this year in Paris. And the most elegant version this summer is natural raffia, cream crochet, black trim, or even a small woven hat with a clean silhouette. Parisian women usually mix and match with something more modern. Don't go for the full vintage look. The secret is to pair with tailored linen pieces, slightly oversized, something even more colorful, and they add the hat like a little touch, a little summer touch in the outfit. And the next summer accessory trend you are going to see everywhere in Paris is the Maximalist beaded necklace. For summer, Parisian style jewelry becomes a bit more playful, and the beaded necklace is coming back because it brings texture, color, and even an holiday feel to simple summer outfits. Think colorful beaded glasses, shell details, ceramic beaded glasses, or even pearls mixed with color, small charms, coral tones, turquoise, and even short beaded chokers. The key is to avoid to make it too bitchy or too childish. And Parisian women usually style it with something very clean. Think a white tank top, a slip silk dress, a linen dress, or even a linen vest, or even better, an oversized linen shirt or a swimsuit layer under an oversized shirt. And the next best Paris summer accessory trend is the bug eye sunglasses. The bug eye sunglasses or the oversized sunglasses are one of the key trends here for summer, and even what wear, highlighting that these sunglasses are the Parisian it girl accessory. Think bug eye frame, tortoise acetate, or even brown gradient lenses, oversized square or oversized round shape. These sunglasses are definitely not discreet, and they are made to be seen. They give this vintage couture Saint Laurent feel, very Saint-Germain-des-Prés, very 70s, give this Jackie O vibe. And the key, the secret of Parisian women is really to wear it with something slightly more minimalist and understated. So the sunglasses become the statement of the outfit, and it's not too much or not too overdressed. Think a wide leg trouser, slightly flared to give this 70s vibe. An oversized linen shirt, a very tailored minimalist linen dress. The next key summer accessory trend in Paris is woven sandal. The Parisian shoe formula for summer is very easy. They tend to go for stylish, comfortable, flat, but never too sporty. And instead of wearing chunky hiking sandal or Birkenstocks, you are going to see some Parisian women wearing Birkenstocks, but this is not trendy. They tend to choose something that feels natural, elegant, and easy to walk in, like braided slides, woven sandals, fisherman sandal, or even leather cage sandal. And the trendiest version currently here in Paris are in tan, suede, chocolate, deep brown, cabelle. They usually go with everything: a linen trouser, a white denim, a midi skirt, or even a dress. And the next best summer accessory trend in Paris are elegant wedges or espadrilles. Low-medium wedges, often in suede, raffia, cotton, linen, or natural textures with a clean strap. And even Vogue Paris saying that the sleek wedges is coming back, but in a much more elegant way, less heavy, less bohemian, and with a much more sophisticated design. In Paris, the trendiest version right now are low-medium wedges, leather wedges, canvas or linen, raffia, espadrille, or minimalist elegant wedges with a V strap. Perfect for occasion dressing or even a summer dress. Parisian women usually would wear this with a dress, a skirt, or a midi dress. And the next best summer accessory trend everyone is wearing in Paris right now are sculptural cuffs and bangles. This is one of the chicest summer accessory trends, and it is coming back here in Paris. In terms of jewelry, we are tapping into the maximalist trend. Instead of wearing a tiny, dainty, delicate bracelet, the current version is to go for strong wrist movement. Think gold cuff, stacked bangles, resin bracelet, wooden bangles, or even a mix of big silver and gold bracelets. And to avoid to look like a Christmas tree or un sapin de Noël, comme on dit en français, Parisian women will pair this with something very quite luxury, very minimalist. Again, think simple linen pieces, a beautiful linen vest, a tailored wide leg linen trouser with an oversized maximalist gold cuff or gold bangle. It really gives something very Chanel 80s or even 90s. And the next best summer accessory trend here in Paris is the headscarf. The headscarf is one of the biggest summer trends here in Paris, and it works both as a practical hair accessory and as a styling detail. And instead of wearing it as a classic scarf tied around the neck, a more trendy current Parisian way is to style it in the hair, tied like a bandana or wrapped around a low ponytail, or even folded as a bandana or worn under a raffia hat for a French Riviera inspired mood. And the last best summer accessory trend you are going to see everywhere in Paris is the anklet. Not my favorite one, but the anklet is one of the most subtle but very summer accessory trend that is making a return here in Paris, especially when worn with woven sandal, espadrilles, or leather flat sandals. This is something I've seen in many Parisian jewelry collections. Again, not my favorite trend, but the chicest version is not too beachy, too plastic, or too bohemian. Usually, they go for something slightly more quiet, luxury, understated, dainty, thin gold band, the opposite of the maximalist bracelet trend we have seen in Paris. And that's it for today about the best summer accessory trend everyone is wearing in Paris right now. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know of your favorite summer accessory trend. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to check below the video for the reference of this gorgeous floral belt from FAUVETTE. Probably one of my favorite summer trends here in Paris, the floral thin belt. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you very soon for another one.